Welcome to online learning class. Standard 7, Subject Science. Chapter number 12, The Muscular System and Digestive System in Human Beings. Again we will revise this lesson. What is meant by organ system? An organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform a specific function. It is called a organ system. What is meant by muscles? Muscles are bundles of fibers that can contract and relax as required. Muscles are firmly attached to bones by means of tendons. The action of muscles is necessary for all kinds of movements. There are more than 600 muscles in the human body. Muscles contribute almost 40% of weight of a healthy adult human body. Voluntary muscles. A muscle that is under conscious control like arm or leg muscles. Working with our hands, walking, eating, etc. are functions that depend upon our will. Muscles used in these actions are called voluntary muscles. For example, muscles in our arms and legs are voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. Various processes like breathing, blood circulation, digestion are vital functions. That is, they are essential for life. They do not depend upon our will. The muscles of organs which carry out these involuntary functions are called involuntary muscles. Functions of organs like the stomach, intestine, heart are carried out in their own fixed manner by involuntary muscles. And also we studied about the types of muscles. There are three types of muscles in the human body. They are skeletal muscles, second heart or cardiac muscles, and third one smooth muscles. First one, skeletal muscles. The two ends of each of these muscles are attached to two different bones. Examples of such muscles are muscles of the arms and legs. Second, heart or cardiac muscles. These muscles bring about the contraction and relaxation, that is beating of the heart. Third one, smooth muscles. These muscles are present in the internal organs that the heart, for example, muscles of stomach, intestine, blood vessels, uterus, etc. The muscle on the front of the bone in our upper arm is called the biceps. The muscle at the back is called the triceps. So always remember, muscles of our body must be strong and efficient. Our diet must include proteins and carbohydrates in sufficient quantity for the proper growth and repair of muscles. So we must get regular exercise so it makes the muscles strong. What is meant by digestion? Conversion of food into a soluble form and its absorption into the blood is called digestion. The digestive system consists of the alimentary canal and digestive glands. The total length of alimentary canal is about 9 meters. Its main parts are the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Teeth. The process of digestion begins with the function of the teeth in the mouth. There are four types of teeth, namely incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Each type of tooth has a specific function. Each tooth is covered by a hard substance called enamel. Enamel is made of a calcium salt. Saliva contains an enzyme called ptyalin or salivary amylase. Ptyalin converts starch into a sugar called maltose. Let's first understand the process of digestion. Digestion starts from mouth, salivary glands, pharynx or throat, esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, and small intestine. First, we will start from mouth. Digestion of food begins in the mouth. Food is chewed with the help of teeth into very small pieces. Second, salivary glands. Saliva is produced in the salivary glands in the mouth cavity located in front of the ears near the pharynx and below the tongue. Next one, pharynx or throat. The esophagus and trachea open into the pharynx. Next one, esophagus. It is a tube leading from the pharynx to the stomach. It pushes the food towards the stomach. Next one, liver. The liver is the largest gland in the body. It has a rich supply of blood. Its main function is storage of glucose. Next one, pancreas. The pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice that contains various enzymes. Next one, stomach. The large sac-like part of the alimentary canal is called stomach. The gastric glands of stomach secrete gastric juice. Next one, large intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. Only water is observed in the large intestine. A small part called the appendix is attached to the first part of the large intestine. Last one, small intestine. The small intestine is about 6 meter long. Most of the digestion and absorption of food takes place here.